ain't fit for domestic work. Look on my face. Today we have a duty. We need to get this place in order. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! Like, oh god, okay. Asha, how about this? No, something wrong. What I'm gonna start with is this shoe stand. We're gonna start with the shoe stand. Like certain things upon it, back to the pan it, enough for the pan it. So let's do this. Alright, turn the camera so y'all can see. Yeah, me have the pan that phone here just for you know. Alright. Oh, this video was suggested by Life with Leah. I want to go over her channel and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell and let her know that Booz sent you. She suggested for me to do a room decor, room makeover, and it is highly needed, as y'all can see. So stay tuned to the end. Share, subscribe if you're new. Tell a friend for tell a friend to come over the Booz channel and become my boo. Now, what we are gonna do, we are going to straighten it up. I'm gonna need the camera for it. The room so small, guys, so now for bear with me. I'm gonna look a small room, I'm gonna look a quad. I'm gonna turn the camera up so to get the top first. Obviously I need no fixing. But this is a really no I have to put up, but I'm not put it up yet. You see me? We'll hold up something. This is a shoe slippers. This can't stay. This have an internet paper. Linear and the TV remote them when I sell if you don't want to buy, contact me. Today's post notification shout out goes out to Monies_arts. Make sure y'all go over our channel and show her some love. Comment under our last video said Booz sent to know, and also go over Serena Slim channel and subscribe and do the same. Thanks, Booz. Scan dash the envelope I don't get. What envelope I don't get, so love on myself. Anyways, nice shoes. No, this not needed. Can't touch this, not needed this. Yeah. Still to the bin that go. Alright. What else now? Booty. Let me hear about something. Ready for the here, so envelope again. I'm gonna put this where it has to go. Put in this place. I'm gonna document them. Oh, the nasty. This on the ring light before the one that I'm using is still working. Well, basically it has short, but it still works. I still have it. Where I keep it, I need a place to keep it. But I'm not put it on the shoe stand. So, the next slippers there. Oh, they drop. Now the slippers. Slippers again. This for dash register. And I earbuds manual. The heels. How am I doing the booty? How am I doing it? Oh. Yeah, I'm going at this part. This is a shoes I have. I realize it has strips and put it in a one box. Look how nice good body shoes I'm only wear one time. A strip. I went here box. I'm gonna wait again some I put it in a box. Yes, I'll put the box. Underneath there where the sneakers are. And then look down here. Between here. So have a heel. This can't. Don't stop. What is? That is what happened when you don't wear shoes. Never literally dash with the shoes when we hardly wear. And for that she wear like a strip. No one wants to wear strip shoes. Watch out. Yeah, but they are grown. Dear Jesus. Alright, so one of the shoes done. That's how it look. Makes about wears. Now at the current moment I have no dresser, but I use barrel. But this now, these are new clothing when we put in our bag, so that when I get something to put them in, I will. This should be my table, which I do everything on, like school things. Yeah. So I pick up them here, fix them up. Well, good in a going too bad with the table. In a look good, but in a look bad. So now next place is the bed. Y'all are them something here? Lord help us. Alright. First off, let me take up them garments here. Let's put them down. Again, same clothes. One earbud sleeve, one alone. If you don't want it, DM the seat. Turn off it. Is that work? One alone need. Yeah, sale out normally at 4,000, but 2,500. Anybody will want it. Then I have to go in the barrel. That's down. Next task is the barrel top. So, the stacking foot here, stacking foot upon the barrel. Plastic bag. Oh, I'm gonna keep the silver now. Learn advice about this. I showed you the one. Never here. No. Here. Paper. All diary.
Subscribe and share that easy.
No, right here. This is where I put my clothing. This little thing. I'm gonna say my dresser right now. I'm gonna put it in this. In the closet in Julian's room.
A decade boo. Channel forget your view.
Sometimes you don't find something funny top of it. Some of medicine kit. Then some detox tea from TLC. Fix it up here. So bag. And then it's so. Oh yeah. Having some perfume and brush and roll on the medicine, face products, ear products, like them little bannier and so forth. It's a YouTube thing, right? Charger, extension, them here. underneath. And on this. So this will tidy up now. Look how me sweater. Uh-oh. I am dying. Now we're going to tidy up. Even though it's not that bad, you can tidy up a little more. Yeah. So I'm going to retrieve on it, you know. So my hairbrush. Paper, we will add some notes. I need this, so I'm going to actually wait. That should do it. That's just about it. No. Down here, so. This is a chair, guys. You know, I can't realize it's a chair, but actually this can go on top of here. So that's why I literally did this. One of paper here. Clear out, so now I will dash it away. I really have no point for putting it right now. This of this basket. Oh, this can go on this time now. What they call dirt clothes basket. Water gone, so I can't wash with the machine. The floor, these are some sheets. I'm gonna go wash out. That's why I didn't lip on the floor, but water gone, so gotta put them back to wash next time. 9 week. So far, so we look. Yeah. A few more things to do. Wires. Why am I tired? Look how me I sweat. Now guys, I want to power in this place. It's time for us to sweep now. Sweeping time. May I come? You don't know say I so much garbage in my room after I take out too much garbage in the week, you know? Why look on my head? Some of the cats want some of my hair do look like some crow. You better do it now or else. I'm serious. Anyway, so just a cool half look because you know, girl work hard. We get the place look like this. But I'm showing you the progress so far. This is the progress so far. So far, fix that. Yeah, but this is it so far. The place don't look that bad. Like where they look earlier with the ground. You can't see the ground. You can't see my floor this. Yeah. Yeah, we know. Alright. You got it there. We're ready with the floor now. We're gonna clean up the floor. Basically, this is a box of the dashboard. So anything that is can go in the back here, right? Can't show. Let me add that. Just sweep and I bed and everything. Yeah. So, comment how you think I do so far. Is this a progress? Cabbage. Alright, ready for sweet now? We'll cool off a little bit. Yeah. So much things on the night bed. And one bed. Alright, my hat. I'm friends with the monsters what's under my bed. Get along with the voices. My head, you think I'm crazy? Stop holding your breath. It's fat right there, so.
Adeki Boo, channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I'ma make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly.
Why? Oh no.
Press like so the numbers can get high till it run past everybody video for support the channel that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Well done, Booz. We're finally done the room. Look on the sweat. Good sweat. Good sweat. No, I'm tired. Jesus, I'm tired. Roy, I'm tired. Look there. No, look how I'm tired so till. I never work so in my life. Never. I never work so in my life. Look, watch her. Sweater run down. I ain't fit for domestic work. As Cardi B said, I ain't fit for domestic work. I'm fit for this. Look at my face. No, Sam. My room done, so I'm gonna take a little shower now and relax in my clean room. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you now. Judgment, Watch out. Don't mind that. Yeah, but to the bed here. See right there, so my shoes stand look a little better because all the shoes are on it. Wait for the pan it. That chair clean. Nothing on the pan it. The basket have in it dirty clothes. We need for wash. My phone are dead. That's why the light looks so dull. There. Everything in order. Down there, so alright. It's now nothing on it. Yeah, garbage bin empty. Barrel top have one look back for work tomorrow. And that have some things I'm gonna know, but yeah, that's fine. So if y'all tired, say amen. Cause me tired. So I'll see y'all in the next video. I'll make sure y'all spill the tea. Remember me telling you say more start something called spill the tea, which means you know if you tell me anybody business, even if I phone a business and nobody not gonna know say you tell me, I'm gonna talk about it. Any situation I know I'm gonna talk about, just contact me at DEKIBOO_87. Subscribe to my other channel. Them link in the description box below. See you in the next video. Bye, Booz. Love you.